Hey, it's Ryan here with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to replace the French case cap on this Samsung refrigerator. We're going to need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave them listed in the description below. Let's get started. For this repair, we'll need to unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. First, we'll need to flip open the French assembly to access these two screws. Remove the Phillips screws. Next, tap on the bottom of the French assembly to release the French hinges from the door. Be careful as the French assembly will still be connected by a wire. Next, we'll need to remove the wire from the door and disconnect the electrical plug. To remove the French case cap, use a screwdriver or putty knife to pry up the cap. Now lift up to remove the cap. If you have a bad or missing French case cap, you can purchase a new one at our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the French case cap, align the bottom tab and then push the top of it to snap it into place. For the bottom cap, you'll first need to slide the hinge up, then insert the tab and push down to snap into place. To reinstall the French assembly, we'll need to start by plugging in the electrical plug and tucking the wires into the door. With the wires tucked away, you can align the French hinges and push down. Now reinstall the two Phillips screws. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.